Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on a FlirtMe dating website. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in flirtme.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official FlirtMe website. Now from this page, if you don't have an account already, you can tap on the register with email button to continue signing up using your email address. You can also use your Facebook or your Google account to continue with signing up. Go ahead and choose whichever option is suitable for you, and you might be asked to enter your preferred username and your password. Then simply type in your email address and then enter your age. Then select your gender and choose what you are looking for. Finally, click on I have read and accepted the terms and conditions and then tap on the register button. After doing this, you will receive a verification email within your email address. Just tap on the verification link or enter the verification code given within the box, and then your account will be verified and ready to be used. Now after this step, just finalize your profile and then you can use your email address or your username and your password to log into your newly created account on the FlirtMe application website. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the FlirtMe website. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.